नमामि शारदां देवी वीणा पुस्तकधारिणीं नमस्कारकरस्तुम्मि प्रसन्नास्तु स सदा. Hello students, we are on the 13th part of topic coordinate geometry, 10th standard SSC board is a part of maths 2. Now we have already completed all the practice sets. Now we are on the problem set 5 and we'll continue with the practice set first question. Okay? Hello students, we are on the 12th part of coordinate geometry, 10th standard SSC maths 2 का part है ये. We are now on problem set. In problem set 5, first question is filling the blank using correct alternative. This is the MCQ type of question. There is a multiple choice question, and for the multiple choice question, अभी आप लोग को आदत लग गई है. इसके बाद में तो बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन MCQs ही करने पड़ेंगे. But for MCQs, you should have a proper basic knowledge. एज वेल एज पूरे कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर है तो ही आप लोग कर सकते हैं. एंड डोंट टेक एनी क्वेश्चन वेरी लाइटली. 2 बार पढ़ो क्वेश्चंस को, उसके बाद ही जाना है. तो विल सी द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. सेगमेंट AB इज पैरेलल टू y एक्सिस. सो सेगमेंट AB जो है इज पैरेलल टू y, ये y एक्सिस होता है. एंड coordinate of points are 1, 3 is 1 and 3 means this will be A, that is 1, 3, and segment AB is parallel to what? Y axis. Okay. The what must be a coordinate of point B? Coordinate of point B when it is parallel to x axis, तो इसके जो a कोऑर्डिनेट x कोऑर्डिनेट्स हमेशा सेम रहेंगे. याद रखना जितने भी पॉइंट्स रहेंगे पैरेलल पे सबका a कोऑर्डिनेट क्या रहेगा? 1, 2, 0, 1, 0 या 1, -1, 1, -2 इस तरह से रहेगा. सो 1 मस्ट बी देयर. अभी किसमें किसका कोऑर्डिनेट सेम रहेगा? एज segment AB is parallel to y axis, its x coordinate is same. कुछ भी रहेगा इसके कोऑर्डिनेट सेम रहेगा. x कोऑर्डिनेट क्या है? 1. इसमें किसका x कोऑर्डिनेट 1 है? D का. That's why आंसर इज D. आपको लिखना है आंसर D, 1, -3. ये जो एक्सप्लेनेशन है दैट वी कैन राइट इन अ टेक्स्ट बुक और बाजू में लिख के रखो. बट आंसर तुम्हें बोर्ड एग्जामिनेशन में क्वेश्चन नंबर प्रॉपर डालना है. करेक्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर इज 1 का आंसर इज डी एंड ऑप्शन इज 1, -3. इस तरह से करना है इस क्वेश्चन को. समझ में आ रहा है? देन यू आर गोइंग टू राइट ओनली दिस आंसर. दिस इज मोर देन इनफ. नाउ सेकंड क्वेश्चन. आउट ऑफ द फॉलोइंग पॉइंट्स lies right to the origin of x axis. अब जब ये y axis है, ये x axis है, ये origin है, this will be the right part, this will be the left part. ये right part is always positive, left part is negative. और जब वो x एक्सिस पे रहेगा तो हम लोग क्या लिखेंगे? 1, 0, 2, 0. इट्स y कोऑर्डिनेट विल बी 0. इट इज ऑल राइट. तो -2, 0 पॉसिबल नहीं. दैट विल बी ऑन लेफ्ट हैंड साइड. 0, 2 पॉसिबल नहीं क्योंकि वो y एक्सिस का पॉइंट रहेगा. 2, 3 x या y एक्सिस पे लाई नहीं करते. बट दे आर टोल्ड ऑन x एक्सिस मींस इसका आंसर इज D. इज इट राइट? So your answer is D, 2, 0 for second question. Now Now, distance of this point minus 3, 4 from the origin. ये point minus 3, 4 है. इसके लिए direct formula है. What is our direct formula? That is distance from origin is equal to root of x square y square. So x square is what? Minus 3 square, y square is 4 square, that is equal to 9 plus 16 root 25. Answer is 5. Option is C. तो आंसर क्या है आपका? Answer for this is C. That is for third question. And answer is 5 units. You got it now? Now come to this one. A line make an angle of 30 degree with positive direction of x-axis. अब तुम्हें मालूम पड़ा what is meaning of positive axis. This one is how much it is 30 degree. Means हमारा angle आया है theta is equal to 30 degree. Correct? And how to find out the slope? Slope of this line. Slope of line is equal to tan theta. That is nothing but tan 30. और tan 30 क्या होता है पता है? Tan 30 is nothing but 1 upon root 3. So answer is C. So what are you going to write? Answer for this is C and that is 1 upon root 3. So this is for the fourth question. So students, ये MCQs के questions properly समझ लो. उसके जितने भी पॉइंट लिखने हैं वो तुम्हें अपनी तरह से लिखने हैं because एग्जाम के वक्त ही रिवाइज करते हो, you come to know what concept you have used. No need to solve the entire thing. Okay? Copy down it properly. समझ के properly answer लिखो इसके. Now, question number 2. Determine whether the given points are collinear or not. So, we can use two methods for this to solve this. Either by distance formula or you can use by slope method. उसमें distance formula is easy. हम लोग स्लो फॉर्मूला के लिए जाते हैं एंड यू डू दिस क्वेश्चन बाय डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला विल बी बेटर. सो आई गो फॉर द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन दैट इज a 0, 2, b 0, minus 0.5, 1, 0.5 and c 2, minus 3. तो solution, let coordinates of point A be x1, y1, point B be x2, y2 and point C be x3, y3. So x1 is equal to 0, y1 is equal to 2, x2 is equal to 1, y2 is equal to minus 0.5, x3 is equal to 2 and y3 is equal to minus 3. Once you got this, first of all we'll find out the slope of this line AB. So what are you going to write? Slope of line AB is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. y2 is minus 0.5 minus 2. y2 is 1 minus 0. 1 minus 0. Therefore, I am getting minus 0.5 minus 2.0 we can write, and here it will be 1 minus 0. So we are getting minus 2.5 by 1. Therefore, slope of line AB is equal to minus 2.5. I will take it as equation 1. Then we will find out slope of line BC is equal to y3 minus y2 upon x3 minus x2. y3 is minus 3 minus 0.5, that is y2. x3 is 2 minus 1, that is minus 3 plus 0.5 upon 2 minus 1 plus minus 3 minus 0.5 will be minus 2.5 sign of greater number upon 1. So what you are going to write is slope of line BC is equal to minus 2.5. That is equation number 2. Therefore, slope of line AB is equal to slope of line BC from 1 and 2. And B is a common point. Therefore, line AB and line BC is same line. Therefore, point A 0, 2, B 1 minus 0.5 and C 2, minus 3 are collinear, that you put in the box, and this is the answer. Copy down it very properly. Now second question is P 1, 2, Q 2, 8.5 and R 3 upon 3, 6 by 5. Okay, solution. What I would write, let co-ordinates of point P be x1, y1, point Q be x2, y2, and point R be x3, y3. So x1 is equal to 1, y1 is equal to 2, x2 is equal to 2, y2 is equal to 8 by 5, x3 is equal to 3, y3 is equal to 6 by 5. After doing that, what are you going to write now? Slope of a line PQ is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 is the formula. y2 is 8 by 5 minus 2. y2 is 2 minus 1. So, we are getting 8 by 5 minus 2 upon 1 upon 2 minus 1. If now in this case we have to cross multiply, denominator alag alag hai. So what you can write? 8 into 1 minus 2 into 5 upon 5 into 1 upon 1. So 1 nahi likhe to bhi chalega, and what you are getting? 8 minus 10 upon 5. So your answer is 8 minus 5 is minus 2 upon 5. So what you can write is, this is the slope of line PQ. इसे आप इसी तरह से लिखो, equation 1. Now, second what you are going to do is slope of line QR. QR is P, Q and R. that is y3 minus y2 upon x3 minus x2. y3 is nothing but 6 by 5. y2 is nothing but 8 by 5 upon x3 is 3 minus 2. So 6 by 5 minus 8 by 5 minus 3 upon 2. डिनोमिनेटर तो सेम है, तो और ये बन जाएगा 1. तो व्हाट योर आंसर? स्लोप ऑफ लाइन QR is equal to minus 2 by 5. Minus, you write it properly, minus 2 by 5. It is equation number 2. So what I can write from, therefore, slope of line PQ is equal to therefore from 1 and 2, slope of line PQ is equal to slope of line QR, and Q is a common point. अगर ये कॉमन पॉइंट है तो लाइन PQ and line QR is same line. Therefore, points, which one? P 1, 2, Q 2, 8 by 5, and R 3, 6 by 5 are collinear. This we are going to put in a box and write it properly. Copy down it properly. Now, next question is solution. Let coordinates of point L be x1, y1, point M be x2, y2, and point N be x3, y3. So ultimately, x1 is equal to 1, y1 is equal to 2, x2 is equal to 5, y2 is equal to 3, x3 is equal to 8, and y3 is equal to 6. So, what you can do is, therefore, slope of line LM, we will find out, is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Value of y2 is 3 minus 2, x2 is 5 minus 1 is equal to 3 minus, and what is the slope of line LM is equal to 1 by 4. This we are going to put as equation 1. Next one is slope of line MN is equal to y3 minus y2 upon x2 minus x3 minus x2. That is equal to y3 is 6, y2 is 3 upon x3 is 8 minus 5. So we are getting 6 minus 3, 8 minus 5, that is nothing but 3 upon 3. So slope of line MN is equal to 1 is equation 2. So ultimately the slopes are not equal. What I would write from equation 1 and 2, slope of line LM is not equal to slope of line MN. अब स्लोप्स इक्वल नहीं है मतलब पॉइंट्स. Which points? L 1, 2, M 5, 3 and N 8, 6 are not collinear. They are not collinear. That you put in the box and complete. Cover down it properly. Now, third question. Find the coordinate of the point, coordinate of the midpoint of the line segment joining P and Q. So, solution. Let point M be midpoint of segment joining P 0, 6 and Q 12, 20. Let coordinate of point M be x, y. Point P be x1, y1 and point Q be x2, y2. As M is a midpoint of segment PQ. Oh, sorry, we have to write the value of x1. x1 कितना है 0, y1 6, x2 is 12 and y2 is 20. So M is the midpoint of segment PQ. Therefore, by midpoint formula, x is equal to x1 plus x2 upon 2 and y is equal to y1 plus y2 upon 2. Therefore, x is equal to x1 is 0, x2 is 12 upon 2, x is equal to 0 plus 12 upon 2, x is equal to 12 upon 2, x is equal to 6 and y is equal to 6 plus 20 upon 2, y is equal to 26 upon 2, y is equal to 13. Therefore, M के coordinates बन जाएंगे 6, 12, 13. Therefore, the coordinates of midpoint of segment PQ is 6, 13. That you put in the box and copy down it properly. Now, fourth question. Find the ratio in which the line segment joining 3, 8 and minus 9, 3 is divided by y-axis. पहली बात तो ये क्वेश्चन समझना पड़ेगा हमें. तो सॉल्यूशन के लिए जस्ट वी ड्रॉ अ रफ फिगर. रफली ड्रॉ करना है विद पेंसिल. This is x-axis, this is y-axis. A is 3, 8 means somewhat here it is 3, 8 and B is minus 9, 3 will be here minus 9 comma 3. And this line segment, it intersecting somewhere here by y-axis. Let it be point M. अब हम लोग एक काम करते हैं, इसका हम लोग कोऑर्डिनेट लेंगे x1 y1, इसको हम लोग लेते हैं x2 y2. But as it is on y-axis, its x coordinate is 0 and y coordinate may be y. Okay, so what I will do, let segment AB intersect y-axis at point M. At point M. Then we can write for point A. A is nothing but what? What is the value of it? What are the coordinates? 3 comma A. And point B is minus 9 comma 3. Segment AB intersect y-axis at point M. So on y-axis, x coordinate is 0. So let coordinate of point M be 0 comma y. Point 0 comma y. Let coordinates of point A be x1 y1 and point B be x2 y2. So x1 is equal to 3, y1 is equal to 8, x2 is equal to minus 9 and y2 is equal to 3. As point M on y-axis intersect segment AB, or let point M on y-axis intersect AB in ratio M is to N. M is to N. Therefore, what I can write by section formula. What is the section formula? We know the value of x. What I'm going to, x is equal to m y2 plus n y1 upon m plus n. But इसका वैल्यू है 0. m का वैल्यू मुझे पता नहीं है. But y2 is 3 plus n into 8 upon m plus n. So what you are getting is 0 in bracket m plus n is equal to 3m plus 8n. So 0 is equal to 3m plus 8n, or what I can write, minus 3m is equal to 8n, or m upon n is equal to 8 by minus 3. Then m upon n is equal to minus 8 upon 3. Okay? I made a mistake. I put y2. I'll apply the formula once again. X is equal, we know the value of x, m x2 plus n x1 upon m plus n. X का वैल्यू है 0, m का वैल्यू पता नहीं है, but x2 is minus 9 plus 3 into n into 3 upon m plus n. So 0 in bracket m plus n is equal to minus 9m plus 3n. So 0 is equal to minus 9m plus 3n. 9m is equal to 3n. M upon n is equal to 3 by 9. Means m is to n is equal to 1 is to 3. So what I can write then, the ratio in which the line segment AB is divided by y-axis is 1:3. क्या रेशियो है? 1:3 का रेशियो. This is your final answer. I'll repeat it once again. What was the ratio in which the line segment joining 3,8 and minus 9,3 is divided by y-axis? If you want to draw the figure, draw it. If you are not drawing, it's okay. But ये याद रखना कि y-axis पे सब x कोऑर्डिनेट हमेशा क्या रहते हैं? 0 रहते हैं. Point A is 3,8, B is minus 9,3. Let the segment AB intersect y-axis at point M on y-axis. Its x coordinate is 0. Okay. Let coordinate of point M is 0, y. Coordinate of point A be x1, y1 and B be x2, y2. x1 का value है 3, y1 का value 8, x2 is 9, minus 9, y2 is 3. Then the point M on y-axis intersect AB in ratio 1 is n is to n. I substitute the value of x and y. I got 1:3. So then you have to write the ratio in which the line segment joining the point AB or joining the segment AB is divided by y-axis is 1:3. So students, copy down it properly. Now students, fifth question. Now this fourth question and fifth question both are important. So please जरा उसको properly ध्यान देके करना है. Even fourth question, I'll suggest you to write it 3 times. एक बार देख के लिखो, 2 बार बिना देख के लिखो, practice करके लिखो. Again, it is also very important question. Find the point on x-axis. वो point on y-axis था, right? Which is equidistant from the point. I'll do one thing. Solution. I'll draw a figure of x-axis and y-axis का coordinates draw कर लेते हैं. This one is x-axis and this one is y-axis. Is it right? Now P is 2, minus 5 means 1, 2. This will be P minus 2, minus 5 and Q is minus 2, 9. ये 2 और ये 9 रहेगा. Q is minus 2, 9. They are equidistant from a point. Suppose यहाँ एक कोई point है, say point M. किधर भी रह सकता है, x axis पे, not necessarily इस पे रहेगा. And it is equidistant from these 2 points. These 2 segments are equal. Okay, so point P is 2, minus 5 and Q minus 2, 9. Let point M is x, y is on x-axis. But coordinate of y-axis, y-coordinate, but y-coordinate of point on x-axis is 0. So M will become x comma 0. X comma 0. Okay. Now the thing is, let coordinate of point P be x1, y1 and point Q be x2, y2. x1, y1, this is x2, y2. So x1 is 2, y1 is minus 5, x2 is minus 2 and y2 is 9. As point M on x-axis is equidistant from points P and Q. P and Q. So distance PM is equal to distance QN. Distance PM is equal to distance QN. Then by distance formula, what is the distance formula of PM? So I can write, this is M is this one, 0, 1. So I am going to write PM. PM is this one, x1, y1. So x minus x1 the whole square plus y minus y1 the whole square. And second part, x minus x2. This for Qn. N के लिए ये लेंगे ना हम लोग. Plus y minus y2 the whole square. Now, we are going to write squaring on both the sides. Squaring किया तो x minus x1 the whole square, y minus y1 the whole square is equal to x minus x2 the whole square and y minus y2 the whole square. X, we don't have value of x तो x ही रहेगा, minus x1. x1 is, I can write 2 the whole square and y का value 0 है, minus y1 is minus 5 the whole square is equal to x का value मुझे मालूम नहीं, x ही रहेगा, but x2 is minus 2 the whole square and y का value 0 रहेगा, minus y2 is nothing but 9 the whole square. So what do you got? X minus 2 the whole square plus 0 minus 5 the whole, 0 plus 5 the whole square, because minus become plus. Is it right? यहाँ minus है तो, और यहाँ भी क्या होगा? X plus 2 the whole square minus again become plus, और यहाँ होगा 0 minus 9 the whole square. So here we are going to apply the formula x square minus 2 into x into 2 plus 2 square plus this will become 5 square. Here the formula will be x square plus 2 into x into 2 plus 2 square plus minus 9 the whole square. So what answer we are getting? X square minus 4x plus 4 plus 25. Here it will be x square plus 4x plus 4 plus 81. So what answer we are getting is, we are going to cancel this one x square because they are having same sign. Here it is minus 4. I am going to transfer on that side. Again become minus 4 is equal to this plus is 85 minus 4 minus 25. So this become minus 8x और यहाँ बन जाएगा 85 minus 29. So minus 8x is equal to 15 minus 9 is 6 and 7 minus 2 is 56. So x is equal to 56 upon it. X is equal to 8 ones are 8, 8 sevens are x is minus 7. So this we got. Therefore, what you are going to write? The coordinate of, यहाँ आप लोग लिख सकते हैं m minus 7 comma 0. Therefore, coordinate of point m, coordinate of point on x-axis, which is equidistant from P and Q, is minus 7 comma 0. That is put in the box and write as what? Answer. Okay, this is again very important question, students. We are going to do it properly. I'll explain it once again. See, the point on x-axis which is equidistant from point P and Q, PK coordinate दिए 2 minus 2 comma minus 5, Q is minus 2 comma 9. That point, this is P 2 comma 5, Q is minus 2. So this point will be on x-axis. I don't know exactly where it is, but I will show that. P is 2 comma 5, Q is minus 2 comma 9. Point M is x comma y lie on x-axis, but y coordinate of a point on x-axis is what? 0. तो m का कोऑर्डिनेट्स बन जाएगा x, 0. फिर इसको p के लिए मैंने x1 y1 लिया, p2 के लिए q के लिए x2 y2 लिया. As point m on x-axis is equidistant from point p and q. Equidistance किससे? m is equidistant from p and q, मतलब pm is equal to qm. Then I apply the distance formula. ये कैलकुलेशन लेकिन बहुत केयरफुली करो and we get value of x is equal to minus 7. So we got minus 7 is minus 7 और y coordinate उसका क्या रहेगा 0. तो coordinate of the point on x axis which is equidistant from point P and Q is what? Minus 7 comma 0 is the answer. So student, you pause the video, copy down it properly. So we have completed the 13th part of coordinate geometry, and in next part we'll continue with the 6th question of practice problem set 5. So thank you students.